What's up, gang? It's Master Chef Kaya, and today we are going to be making healthy chicken enchiladas.
Yeah, that's right. We're
Okay.
making healthy chicken enchiladas. For the enchiladas, I do a zero net carb tortilla. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But boom, they pretty much like 60 calories per tortilla. Another thing you can also do is get zucchini carrots and cut them like thin slices and use that as a tortilla. But I like convenience, and I'm gonna burn it off in the gym anyway. So another thing too is my 30-day shred is almost up. So this coming Thursday on June 20th. That's June 20th, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. June 20th, y'all will see my progress. I'm not gonna lie, I cheated and weighed myself to see my progress. You judging me?
Nah, I ain't say nothing.
So I cheated. I was happy with the progress, but I'm unhappy with something else, which I'll explain in the video. But yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna hop into this video so we can get y'all these healthy chicken enchiladas.
Oh.
All right, gang. So we're gonna be making our Spanish cauliflower rice right here. Want to add the garlic in there, minced garlic, olive oil. I forgot to put my spatula out, y'all. Kind of mix it in a bit. We're gonna add our onions in there. Then we're gonna add the turmeric and the cumin. We saute this for about 3 minutes. All right, after 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and add the chicken chorizo in there. Blend it in, and you want to let this cook for another 3 minutes. All right, y'all. So after the 3 minutes, we are going to go ahead and add our cauliflower rice. And I use store-bought. You can make your own, but I like the convenience of it. So we're gonna add the cauliflower rice, mix it in. After you got that mixed in, make a hole in the middle a little bit. That. I'm gonna add the tomato paste. We're gonna add this chicken broth. Start mixing it in. Once you get it mixed in, go ahead and let it cook. I done wasted some stuff, y'all. Go ahead and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. All right, gang. So once y'all let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, go ahead and turn the heat off. Stir it up a bit. Add just a little bit salt. That was pepper. My bad. Salt now. Add a little bit of salt. You don't want too much. Stir it in. I did cilantro leaves, but usually you want to use some fresh cilantro. Add that in there. And some lime juice. I know people like, why are you using real limes? I said I like to pay for convenience, so add a little bit of lime juice in there. They mix it in really good. Remove it from the heat, set it aside. And then we're gonna head into our chicken enchiladas.
All right, gang, we're about to prep the chicken. Make sure you wash and peel the chicken. The chicken we'll be using is the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. After you do that, you're gonna add the avocado oil. When you're done adding that, you're gonna add your seasonings in, which the seasonings will be listed in the description below. And you're gonna mix until you're satisfied. All right, gang, we're finna cook the chicken. We're gonna add our oil. Then we're gonna add our onions. Then we're gonna let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. So now we're cooking the chicken. Cook it on this side for 8 minutes or until it's done. Then flip it on the other side for 8 minutes or until it's done. Alright, gang, it's been about 8 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken.
Action!
So now that the chicken is done, we're gonna go ahead and remove it.
Cut! Action!
Alright, gang, now that we got our chicken removed, I'm gonna shred it. I use this as my little cheat sheet. So now that we're done with the chicken, we're gonna pour in our sauce. Then pour the chicken. And then mix it. So now that we let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our tortillas. So now that the chicken is cooked, we're gonna add a serving to the tortilla. Alright, so now that you got it all rolled up, you're gonna add your enchilada sauce. Then you're gonna add your blended cheese. And then you're gonna bake for 350 for 15 minutes. Yeah, gang, this finna hit. It's gonna be good, man. Alright, y'all, now that we finished, we about to go ahead and eat.
We about to taste these chicken enchiladas and see what they hitting for. Master Chef Kaya put them together herself. She said she wanted to cook for me for Father's Day. By the way, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I really wish y'all all the love, happiness, and joy y'all deserve. Also, this is a gift from me to y'all as well. Make it for your wife, but don't tell her you did. Tell her you came up with it yourself. So, go ahead, you know what I'm saying? See what you're hitting for. Oh my God. Who taught you how to cook like this?
Man, look.
Who taught you this?
It's good.
It's real good. Who taught you how to cook like that?
Can't tell the secrets, but
y'all gotta try this recipe. This is a banger for real. And crazy part is it's healthy for you. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, I'm gonna go ahead. I don't want y'all to see me demolish this plate on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and demolish this plate. I hope y'all, like I said, have a good happy Father's Day. I hope y'all get everything y'all deserve.
All right, y'all. Master Chef Kaya out.
Peace, man.
Peace.